Oh, hi, hello everyone. My name is Pu Yang. I'm a student at Nucamp. This is the last week of our 4 months Backend Bootcamp, and I'm glad to share my portfolio project with you. As you can see, I made a very simple online bookstore. The idea is every book is $10. The website is currently deployed on AWS, and the database is made by Postgres on AWS as well. So this is the main page, and I currently have 5 books in my database. We can go into a book and it will display the information of that single book. And it has a brief summary of that book, and you can add the book to the cart and make a purchase. In the admin tab, we can add a book to the database, and this tab is currently available to anyone. However, during the real deployment, I can make this tab available only to the admin account. So for example, let's add this book to our store. We just need the title of the book and URL of the image and a brief summary of the book. And for example, let's just copy this paragraph. Okay, you can see now this book is displayed in the home page, and the front end is made by HTML and CSS. As you can see, I use the CSS flexbox to always display 4 books in a row, and even I change the size of the screen, it's always be 4 books in a row. And let's just make a purchase. For example, we can purchase this book, and you'll have to register and log in to purchase, but I am already logged in with my account. And you can add this book to the cart and check out. And here you can enter, I'm just entering credit card information for test. So this is our fake number. So this payment process page is provided by Stripe. So I didn't have to make this page, it's all provided by Stripe API. Here, if you successfully made a purchase, it will take you back to the home screen. And in the purchase history part, you can see I purchased this book today. And these are all the other books that I purchased before. So that's pretty much it for my project. I feel like I really learned a lot by doing this project. And all the technologies I use are from the Bootcamp materials. For example, the backend is built by Flask, and I have all these single pages. And the database is by Postgres database on AWS. So I really think the best way to learn programming is by building projects. The Bootcamp can offer you a lot of good materials, but you can get much better standing by doing a project. For example, I didn't quite understand the Docker and concepts, and I had a lot of difficulty deploy the project on AWS. So after doing this project, I had a lot much understanding, and right now the project is built by the Docker container on my AWS instance. And lastly, I just want to thank all my instructors and all the cohort for helping me with everything, helping me build the project and everything else in my class. I'm really excited to learn more about programming. Thanks so much.